Hey guys, what's happening? How to sync a Boat Smartwatch with GoogleFit. To sync your Boat Smartwatch to GoogleFit, you would typically use a third-party app called Health Connect by Google as a middleman for non-wear OS Boat watches. And you're going to be presented, if you're a new user obviously, once you download Health Connect and everything, they will ask you to connect to a device, whether that is phone or your Boat smartwatch, okay, and of course, or to a watch, essentially smartwatch. And once you select the option to sync a smartwatch to Health Connect, they'll ask you what type of watch you use and make sure you are using the same Google account across all apps and grant necessary permissions for data sharing. Right, you're gonna be able to connect the Boat Hub app to Health Connect, and then connect Health Connect obviously to GoogleFit. Okay, so if you are OS Boat, if you are a kind of person who wears OS Boat, so download just the GoogleFit app. Hit your profile icon at the bottom right. Hit the settings gear at the top right. Under activity tracking, you're gonna just track your activities with, if you are using Apple, you're gonna connect it with your Apple Health. If you are using Android or Huawei, you're gonna have something else, okay? And essentially, you're gonna be able to sync your data right away, directly on the watch, and you can link it via the settings as I showed you now. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.